Hi everyone, this is Lila. Today's class is a full body classical Pilates workout. All you need is yourself and a mat. Let's get started. Have a sit down, spine is nice and tall scapular isolation movement. Reaching for your arms further, protraction, and pulling back, retraction in. Grab your thigh, tucking your tailbone, and spine nice and tall and up. Tucking in, and come all the way up. Few more to go. Keep scooping your navel and engaging your abdominals all the way up. And tucking in down and lifting your both arms up and all the way down to the mat and moving into the 100. Bend your one leg 90-degree tabletop, curl up, pumping your arms up and down vigorously. Keep pumping, gazing, looking forward, finger all the way down to the mat. Once you're ready, lifting your both leg 90-degree tabletop. Keep scooping your navel. Looking forward. Finger further down. Inhale for 5, exhale for 5. Extension your both leg. Diagonally stretch it further. And keep pumping it. The lower the legs, the more challenging is going to be. Reaching further down, inhale and exhale. Furthermore, and pushing your palms down, a little bit more challenging, lower, hands up, all the way down to the head. Very good job. Moving to the lower up, lower and let's moving into lower down, lower up. Tucking your chins, scoop your belly all the way up, spine nice and tall. Few more to go. Tucking in, tailbone, lower back, middle back, upper back, all the way down to articulation. Inhale, exhale, tucking your chins up, scoop your navel, arms further, and nice and tall. Very good. And be more spinner, all the way melting down to the mat. Exhale, come scoop up, all the further, hands up. And stretch your spine between your vertebra and down. To little over. Both legs to tabletop. Lengthen your leg diagonally. Hinging your legs up to the ceiling and over the head. Bending your ankle, dorsiflexion, articulation, spine, melting down, all the way down. And all the way up. Open your legs hip apart and stretch finger further down to the mat. One more time to go. All the way up. Open, bend, upper back, middle back, lower back, diagonally stretch, further, great. Reverse, open and hinging up and over, bending your ankle, upper back, middle, lower T7, diagonally stretch it further. 2 more to go. Touching your toes and down. Open your chest, finger further down. Great. One more time to go. And down. Very good. Moving to the one leg circle. Circling your legs, cross the midline, lengthening your toes further up. Great. And reverse, circle, gazing, looking up to the ceiling. Try to your upper body has to be stable. Scissor transitions and circle. Few more to go. Your lower abs has to be engaged. Great. And reverse. Very nice. Exhale. All the way down. Moving into the lower leg like a ball. Sit down for your mat. First of thirds of a mat. Grab your ankle, tucking your tailbone in and lifting your both heels up a few inches up from the mat. Hands up, scoop and balance. Lower down till you're the scapular and scoop it up. Few more to go. Feeling the massage your spinal all the back. And balance, heels in down. Moving to the abdominal series. Single leg stretch. Bend your knees. Scoop your abs. Inhale, exhale, 8 more to go. Focus on your abdominals. Keep crunching, calling your upper body up higher. Toes further. Double leg stretch. Inhale and circling in. Scoop. Inhale as exhale, touching your shins. Very nice. Gazing forward. Further, shoulder releasing down. Curl up higher. Up and in. Very good. Keep going. Scissor. Pull, pull for 2 counts. Pull, pull. Inhale, exhale. Holding your ankle. Lengthen further. If you cannot reach, you can decrease your range of motion. And double stretch leg lower lift. Inhale lower as exhale, calling up higher. 8 to go. Lower legs farther down as exhale come up. Inhale up. The lower the legs, the more challenging it's going to be. Keep it up and scoop it up higher. Very good. Hang in there. Crisscross. Bend your knees. Twist. Inhale. Exhale. Try to kissing your elbow to the knees. Very nice. Keep it up. And release. Moving to spine stretch forward. Open your legs hip apart, arms further. Throw your chin down. Scoop. Stretch it further. And exhale, spinal stretch nice and tall. Drop your chin down, arm stretch further, your scapular away. Spinal stretch nice and tall. Few more to go. Scoop your belly, hands up. Finger further, both arms parallel with your mat. Upper leg rocker, prop, holding. If you can, bending your knees or extension your both leg. Stability, looking forward, bring it back, down, with the sole. Twist, further, 3 count, 2, 1, and spinal up, nice and tall. Twist, further, further, lower your shoulder down, and spinal nice and tall. Few more of this. Lengthening. Very nice. Depress your shoulder, finger further, hands up. One more time to go. Twist, further, 2, 1, and come up. Pressing your hip on down. Moving to the swan. Lie down on your belly. Open your legs hip apart, turn it out. Extensions up. Look at the right side. Look at the left. Center and release and down. 2 more of this. Try not to using your lower back, engaging your abs, and focus on your spinal extension. Stretching your back of the lower back and finger farther down. Inhale, exhale. Shoulder bridge. Lie down on your mat. Bend your knees, both legs parallel, hip apart. Lifting your tailbones higher and articulation down. Come up. Open your chest from the upper back till tailbone all the way down. Hold it there, lifting one leg 90 degrees. Extension legs up and brushing down, ends up. Lower, lift it up, down, ends up. Focus on your glutes. Very nice, hang in there, and we do pulse. Lower, up, down, up. Toes reaching up to the ceiling. Bend your knees, lower down. Other side. Lengthen your legs up. Brush it lower, up, down, ends up. Try not to make an arch on your lower back. Toes further, and hang in there. Pulse. Down, up. Bend your knees, lower leg, and articulation down. Release, very nice. Let's do the side series. Lie down on your side. Shoulder, rib cage, pelvis has to be in line. Lifting upper legs up and lengthen forward further and squeezing at the back. Front and back. Toes further and squeezing. Everything has to be stationary except for the legs. Abs has to be tight. Very nice. And forward and kick back. Up and down. Up and lengthen farther down. Lifting up and down. Squeezing your inner thigh. Feel the resistance in the air and lengthen farther up and down. Bend your upper legs, knee, and lengthen lower legs. Inhale, lifting up, exhale farther down. Your legs keep hovering. Inner thigh, and we do circle. Reverse. Very nice. And lower. And do the other side. Lie on your side. Checking your alignment. Lifting upper legs up, forward and back. Your abs also connected. Toes reaching forward and squeezing back. Your glutes is squeezing, lifting up and further down. Legs up, inner thigh squeezing in, up and down. Little bit sticky. Inner thigh engage, farther down. Up and down, very nice. Bend your knees, holding your ankle. Up and lower. It's for the inner thigh. Very nice. Keep going. And exhale, down. Do the circle. Your legs lengthening. And reverse. Release. And down. Let's do the teaser. Let's begin teaser 1. Bend your knees, arms and up. Scoop and lower, down and in, squeezing your abs. Exhale, all the way up and down. Very nice. Keep going. Switch and lower down. Shoulder release. Focus on your abs. Come up. All the way down. Lifting other legs up. If you tighten your hamstring, bend your knees. All the way down and shoulder release, scoop it up. Very nice. When you lower, your legs keep hovering. Exhale, scooping all the way up. And lengthen. Inhale, exhale, your abs a little bit more tight, shoulder open wider. All the way up. Hang in there, 3, 2, 1, all the way down, release. Very nice. Swimming. Lie down on your belly, open your legs hip apart, lengthen your arms further. We're gonna just swimming, squeezing your abs and your glutes. Look further, top of your mat. A little bit more faster tempo. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, keep pumping. Very nice. Shoulder release and release everything down. Trail stretch. Very nice. And come up. Moving to Pilates push-up. Through your chin, articulation. All the way down, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make plank position. Bend your elbow. Push up, down, hands up. You can also lower knee down, cross your ankle. Bend your elbow wider and push all the way up. Very nice. Open your elbow wider. Focus on your chest. Bend your elbow and push it up, gazing further. Lower and lifting up. Tucking your toes. Throw your chin down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back. And stack your spinal nice and tall. And release. One more time to go. Chin down. All the way down. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. And plank. Very nice. Great. You can keep doing. Or lower knee down, push up, elbow wider, gazing top of your mat. Lower your upper body as low as you can. Push it up, tucking your toes. Step back, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stack your spinal all the way up, nice and tall, and very good. Thank you so much for watching a video and sweating together. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this workout, don't forget like a video and share with your family and friends around you. Thank you so much. See you soon again.